Take a ride in 2012 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.